Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial on how to. Do you know that your foundation appears to be a lot cakey and it never lasts long because you use too much foundation at a time? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to apply full coverage foundation and still make it look like your skin. If this is something you guys are interested in, please definitely keep on watching.
Something that makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can give it.
So guys, regardless of the type of foundation you're going to be applying, it is very essential that you cleanse and you moisturize your face to have a flawless foundation application. So guys, let's jump right into it. The next step is to use your primer where it's needed. It's not necessary you apply your mattifying primer all over your face, but if you are oily all over your face, you can go ahead and apply it all over your face. If you are a combination skin, use your mattifying primer where you are most oily and leave the part where you are dry with the moisturizer you applied. So we're going to give our moisturizer some time to settle. The mistake some of you make is when you apply your moisturizer, immediately you go ahead and apply your foundation. No guys, you need to give it a time to settle into your skin, to create that surface, that barrier between your skin and the foundation you are going to apply or the primer. So I'm going to be using a full coverage foundation. For your foundation application, use a brush to give you a good amount of coverage, and make sure you start from the center of your face. This is where you want to start from when applying your foundation. You really do not need foundation in this area. All you need to do is to work your way towards the outer part of your face. This part of my face has no foundation. I will show you guys how to cover any spots that you have on your skin. My hairline area looks like I have no foundation there, so I'm using what I have left on my brush to blend the outer part of my face. Take your time to blend your foundation really well. Like, I take a good amount of time to blend my foundation into my skin. That's why my foundation never shifts. I can wear my foundation for as long as I want to have it on. I'm going to go ahead and use a more concentrated brush. I'll pick from the foundation, right? And I'll go to where I know I have spots. I'm not going to go all over my face again. And this foundation is thick enough to act as a concealer, but if your foundation is not this full coverage, then you can go ahead and get a concealer. So after this guys, you're going to go ahead and spray your face with a setting spray. You give it a little bit of time also, then you go ahead and use a damp beauty sponge. I'll try as much as possible to not put so much pressure in the part where we covered, just to make sure that that place is not lifting up. Can you see the beauty blender? Following these techniques, following these steps helps to make your foundation last really long without shifting, without giving you a cakey look, and without looking too much. Let me know guys if you enjoyed this down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Baby,